Hello everybody, this is going to be room vlog. This is how the bed looks like. Hi guys, city of Rotterdam. So that's the Maraha. That's where you can. Hey guys, this is my current favorite body care item from Coco Balta Power. Hey guys, this is my current favorite dark and lovely hair care. This is to dye the hair. It makes it look beautiful. And hey guys, it's going to be a room tour. This is how the bed linen looks like. It's very beautiful. And this is the bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful city for shopping. Here you have the Highlight Hotel and the Leonida in my hair. Afterwards, I'm going to use the hair blow dryer. So speaking of web design, on my website petekene.com/supermarkets, I enlisted some top-notch supermarkets such as Sainsbury's. Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. So on my website, I'm promoting myself as a photo model on ekenepatience.com/photo model. You'll find my beautiful pictures. I also recently added some great brands and shops where you can shop for beautiful outfits. So if you need beautiful makeup dresses, you can find the listings I did. Also enlisted some top hospitals and some top automobile companies such as Porsche, Bugatti, Ferrari, Toyota, Hyundai. I enlisted some top makeup artists such as Jeffree Star. Hello, good morning. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ekene Patience. Today's video is going to be all about get ready with me. I'm going to do chit chat related to the top-notch makeup items I'm using at this moment and lipstick. I'm also going to talk to you about home care, airlines, beauty, fashion, and more fun topics. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm a kind of a customer service enthusiast, so I tend to share with you goods and services I've experienced and goods and services I highly recommend. So I've shared with you on my website Ekene Patience some top-notch hospitals, some top-notch home care companies, some top-notch hotels, some top-notch real estate companies. So I can talk to you and read out, you know, the listings I've already done. So on the top page of Ekene Patience, I'm promoting Amazon. I'm also promoting some top-notch real estate companies such as Regus. I'm promoting Crossing Churches, Trident Care. I'm also promoting some Dutch real estate companies such as Rotterdam. Okay, on the top page of Blackload.me, I'm promoting Rotterdam. I'm promoting some great beauty brands such as Dior, Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Armani, and so many other ones. I'm promoting some top-notch fashion brands such as Michael Kors, Hugo Boss. On the top page of Blackload.me, I'm promoting Hugo Boss, and also on ekenepatience.com/fashion, I'm promoting Hugo Boss, Zara, Zizi Kado. I'm promoting Alexander McQueen. I'm also promoting H&M, Sienna, Pretty Little Things, and more. So good already. So it just gives it a lovely shine. And so on the arms, I like to use this retro body spray. So for my body to smell good, I like to use Calvin Klein. So you can't. I'm a big fan of Calvin Klein perfume. So I like to wear this ritual perfume on my neck area. So I just wear it like this. So we're all done. So it's a good perfume from Rituals. And to make sure my hair looks good and more tidy, I just add this. Guys, I'm working on a new short story book, but I'm yet to come up with the names of the character. But the female is called Nkechi. So the male is called A, and the second male is called C. Okay, so character A and C are the male characters. I'm yet to come up with the names for the, you know, because the short story just came into my mind today. I thought, okay, while I'm doing this teacher video, I'll talk about my new upcoming short stories I will publish on ekenepatience.com. Guys, you all know that I'm a short story writer, So on my website ekenepatience.com/short stories, you'll find my exciting short stories. I'm also promoting the University of Dundee, Scotland. So University of Dundee is a beautiful university. So I studied actually at the University of Dundee. I did my master's there. Understand? So if you are looking for a good university to study at, I do recommend the University of Dundee. So you also have other universities. So this one is looking better. So you also have other universities. So you guys might be wondering, Ekene, why are you talking about airlines? Why are you talking about fashion? Why are you telling us where to buy short story books, I do this because it's been highly requested. Many of you has called me, you want to know where I am, you want to know what I'm doing, you want to know what I've eaten. So I came up with this idea, and someone encouraged me, a very good friend of mine encouraged me to start writing short story books. So I started writing short story books. So that's why I became very passionate. And most of you that has read my short stories are very happy and like keep asking for more and more and more and more and more. So I have like a fan club of persons that have read my book and loves it, okay, worldwide. So if you haven't read my book yet, do check out the links below. Check out my short stories. You can leave me a comment. You can chat me up via WhatsApp. You find my WhatsApp contact on ekenepatience.com/contact. And if you want to encourage my short story writing skills, you can call me. You can dash me money. You can dash me €1, €10, €50, 100 million euros. Just to encourage my writing skills. So I've written several short stories. I've written about the Shy Model, I've written about Chica and Cecilia, the two lovebirds, and so many other exciting stories. So my books are about lifestyle, love, relationship, heartbreak, affairs, and yeah, just fun romance, suspense. I love to write. So in the United Kingdom, you have several universities. You have what? You have several universities. You have University of Dundee. You have University of Edinburgh. So these are great universities. They are what? They are great universities. So if you wish to achieve a good degree so that you'll be able to find yourself a good job at maybe an airline company such as KLM, British Airways, Air Peace, Aero Contractor, Qatar Airways, Kenya Airways, Lufthansa, you have to study at any of these universities. Please go on my website ekenepatience.com/universities to find out more. I tend to share these exciting topics to inspire photo models worldwide and also travelers worldwide. So if you're watching my YouTube channel, I'm sure you do enjoy these kind of topics, and I know all my followings, they like to know where to buy delicious meal. So on my website ekenepatience.com/food, I'm promoting some great eateries such as Spare Ribs, right? Spare Ribs is in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and in several other cities. You have Spare Ribs in Middelburg, so you can order Spare Ribs, chicken, and mice from the... Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. It's not looking bad. Hello everybody, this is going to be room vlog. This is how the bed looks like, very pretty, well decorated, and that's me over there. Hi, hiya. And this is it looks really pretty. I love the curtains. Oh my god, this is the oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, so nice. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. In as much as we want to lose weight, it's also very much important to have some kind of balanced diet. How do you achieve balanced diet? You achieve balanced diet by eating well. So you eat all the important nutrients that the body, eat food that contains all the important nutrients, and how to sustain your energy while you're trying to lose some weight. Okay, So I personally, I love eating good food. So I love to eat balanced diet. I love to eat rice, meat, fish, to keep my meals simple and nice, and of course lots of salads, vegetable and fruits. So how do you lose weight and at the same time have some energy over? This is what I'm going to coach you about, okay? Hey guys, so I've decided to wear something different. I'm wearing this lovely orange color dress. So this is the fitting from behind. It's very, very pretty. And this lovely jacket from the brand Matvisser. Matvisser is Visser. Is a lovely Dutch brand. So I have this jacket for almost 5 years and I love it. It's very, very nice, and I love the design. It looks amazing. This design. I'm going to continue with the health consultancy video. You all know I'm a beauty and health consultant. So why is it important to eat properly? It's important so that you can, increase the amount of energy in your body. So let's assume you work for KPMG in Amsterdam or Price W Cooper, and you want to be energetic, and you are into 8 to 5 job. You need to take some multivitamins and eat properly as well. The way you talk to me, the way you smile for me, the way you act, the way you look, makes me feel so good. The way you act for me, the way you sing for me, the way you smile, the way you talk, makes me feel so good. And listed on my website, you all know Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds is a famous museum in Amsterdam where people go, all the famous people such as David Beckham, Victoria Beckham is there. I think Idris Elba is there, I'm not sure. They have Flisco fabrics. I've worn Flisco fabrics before. Like, I'm actually wearing an African fabric right now, but it's not from Flisco. So Tony and Guy is a hairdressing salon in Amsterdam. I've once written a blog post about them, so you can patronize them and have your hair done with Tony and Guy. Beauty Partners is in Rotterdam, so if you want to study, you want to become a beauty consultant, you can study with Beauty Partners. So this is the fitting of the outfit. It's very, very nice. You can decide to style it with a nice scarf like this. Very pretty. So if you do have a lunch date, dinner date with your loved one, you can wear a nice jumpsuit, a catsuit like this with a nice scarf, and this is the fitting. Very, very pretty, comfortable. So if you need lovely outfits like this, you can please contact me, alright? So if you have a dinner date or lunch date with your loved one, you can wear a nice scarf like this and a lovely jumpsuit. If it's quite chilly in the Netherlands, you can just dress up like this. So some of my cool favorite items are these. I love this ritual body cream. That's what I'm wearing. I love how it scents, and it's very, very nice. So I decided to gift myself these for my birthday. I love it. It smells glorious, and I also love wearing this soft lipstick from Calvin Klein into you, so loving it. So I'd love to spray it on my body, and absolutely great. I'm a personal shopper. If you need me to help you shop for nice skincare items from the Netherlands, you may contact me, alright? So what have I been doing these days? What do I do in my free time? What do I do as job work? I've decided to make web shop design my full-time job. That means I always update goods and services on my website, but I'm actually looking for home care jobs. So if you have any home care job availability, please contact me. Alright, so I have some experience as a carer. I have worked in a home care company before, so yeah. So I have been using Anastasia Beverly Hills very often for my makeup look, and I love it. So I love how soft, so down to earth it is, and really loving it. And also I've been wearing lots of scarves recently. I love wearing scarves because it makes me feel very feminine. Hi, whenever I wake up, I take my favorite items to the bathroom and I take my bath. So I'm in the... Hello, this is Ritual Out Body Cream. Absolutely great. So these are my two favorite items. This is for nourishing my skin. It's very nice cream, and this is the shower foam for washing my body. It scents really nice. Hello, this is Ritual Shower foam for taking a bath. Absolutely great. And to start off with my makeup, I use this Time Day cream on my face to moisturize my... Hey guys, I'm just charging my toothbrush, so it's important to charge it from time to time whenever the battery is low. So it's a great brush, an electric one from Oral-B. So you just press it here and it starts spinning. Absolutely recommended. Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. Recently I shared with you on my website petekene patients top health insurance companies in Nigeria. So you have some of the companies are not only health insurance company, but they also insure cars, automobiles, and more. So I'm wearing a nice Echo shoe. So this is my outfit for today. Bit up like this. So this is my stylish look for today. I'm wearing this lovely dress. It's very pretty. I hope you like it. So I started with a nice stockings. I'm wearing lovely stockings. For my hair, I'm just wearing this simple hairdo. And with a scarf from my spray and very stylish outfit. Nice simple dress. I'm gonna wear something else and have you guys say it. So if you do have a nice dinner date with your loved one, probably with your husband, you can wear a nice shoe from Echo. Don't know if you guys can see. So this is the shoe from Echo. So I've been wearing this for a few weeks now. It's really nice and I love it. This is my other outfit for today. I'm wearing this pink lovely dress and this lovely scarf. It's very nice, and this outfit is ideal for going for a dinner date. So just pink, very comfortable, so you can style it with a nice scarf like this. It's a very pretty scarf and has a great texture, very lovely.